Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to appear offline on your Instagram. This tutorial will be very quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now on your Instagram, you want to be on your profile on the right corner at the bottom. Now after that you will have to go to settings, and there are three lines at the top, so you want to click on those. And from here, you will see all of these settings. And you want to scroll down until you see how others can interact with you and messages and story replies. So you want to click on it. After that, you will see an option who can see you are online. So show activity status, click on it. And all you have to do is just go ahead, turn it off, and nobody will see when you are active anymore on your messages. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.